Welcome to day 22 of the Abundantly Rewired series. Today's message is about something simple but life changing: the power of one small decision. Most transformation doesn't happen overnight, it starts quietly. One healthier thought, one intentional choice, one moment where you stop repeating the pattern that's been keeping you stuck. This is the story of how small choices begin rewiring an entire life. I used to think transformation required some massive breakthrough moment. Like one day I'd wake up completely disciplined, financially stable, emotionally healed, and suddenly become the version of myself I wanted to be. But that mindset actually kept me stuck because it made me feel, but that mindset actually kept me stuck because it made change feel overwhelming. The truth is, rewiring starts when you stop waiting for perfect conditions and start making small, aligned decisions consistently. The small choice that changed things was this: I stopped choosing against myself. Not all at once, just one moment at a time. This wasn't some giant life overhaul. It looked like pausing before impulse spending, speaking to myself with more compassion, choosing rest instead of burnout, drinking water instead of emotional eating, turning off fear-based content, turning off fear-based content, saying, maybe things can improve. Tiny choices. But every small choice sent a new message to my brain. I matter. My future matters. I am capable of change. Your brain learns through repetition. Small repeated choices become habits, emotional patterns, beliefs, identity. This is why tiny shifts matter so much. Every time you repeat a healthier thought or behavior, you strengthen a new pathway. At first, it feels awkward because your brain prefers familiar patterns, even unhealthy ones. But over time, consistency creates familiarity. Uh, but over time, consistency creates familiarity, and that creates transformation. You do not you do not become abundant through one perfect moment. You become abundant through repeated alignment. People often underestimate small choices because they don't look impressive. But these moments where tiny but these moments are where I but these moments are where identity shifts happen. Every intentional decision becomes evidence that you are become one. Every intentional decision becomes evidence that you are becoming someone new. You don't need to change your whole life today. You only need to interrupt the old cycle, one choice at a time. This is the beautiful part. One small aligned decision. This is the beautiful part. One small aligned decision creates emotional energy. That emotional energy creates clarity. Clarity creates confidence. Confidence creates action. And suddenly, the version of you that once felt impossible starts becoming natural. Transformation Transformation rarely arrives loudly. Most of the time it whispers, try again today. Take a moment and really sit with this question. Not 10 changes, not a complete life overhaul, just one aligned choice. One thing that says, I am no longer abandoning myself. Take a moment and really sit with this question. What is one small choice I can make today that supports the life I truly want? Not 10 changes, not a complete life overhaul, just one aligned choice. One thing that says, I am no longer abandoning myself. I am no longer abandoning myself. I am no I am no longer abandoning myself. Small choices made consistently become self-trust. Small choices made consistently become self-trust. And self-trust changes everything. Take a deep breath in slowly. Take a deep breath in slowly and release. Again, allow yourself to feel the truth of these words. Every small, aligned choice is creating a new future for me. I trust the process of becoming. Allow yourself to feel the truth of these words. You do not need to rush your transformation. You do not need to become someone else overnight. Every small choice made with intention is building a stronger foundation beneath you. Again, repeat softly. Every small choice, every small aligned choice is creating a new future for me. I trust the process of becoming. Carry that energy with you today. That's it. One small choice is all it takes. You don't need a dramatic overhaul. You just need one small choice and the grace to keep choosing it. Thank you for being here for day 22 of Abundantly Rewired. If this message resonated with you, like, subscribe, share with someone who needs encouragement today. Tomorrow's episode, How to Build an Emergency Fund When You Live Paycheck to Paycheck. Thank you again for spending time with me today. Sometimes the smallest decision is one that changes the direction of your entire life. Keep choosing yourself. Keep choosing alignment. Keep choosing growth. I'll see you tomorrow for day 23.